Hello and welcome to my ADX video, how to use Average Directional Index in Forex trading or Forex day trading. In this video, I have an example here with the Euro Pound. This is the daily time frame, but this works the same, be it 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever. So what is the ADX? It's basically a measurement of the strength of a trend. So what I mean by that is there are three lines. These get a little into the weeds, but the actual measurement line is this, the ADX. And it will tell you when a trend is strong or perhaps running out of momentum. Now, it doesn't matter the direction, and that's something that's a little bit different than most indicators out there. So, for example, the ADX can measure very high in a downtrend, just as it can in an uptrend. And you'll notice that we have certainly seen quite a bit of strength from time to time. And in general, the idea is somewhere above 20 to 25. It just kind of depends on your preference. It's considered to be trending. So, for example, here it's trending, and it's obviously trending higher on the daily chart. That being said, sometimes people will use something like a moving average to kind of confirm the overall direction, and this shows the strength. You should keep in mind, though, that the ADX is, of course, a lagging indicator like anything else with averages. So the moving average gives you an idea of the overall trend. This shows you how strong that trend might be or how it may be losing strength. So like down here, it got all the way down to 12. Even though we were in a quote-unquote downtrend, it gave you a hint that we were running out of steam altogether, and that kind of keeps you out. So the ADX can be used to determine whether we are trending or we're just range-bound, and that can greatly influence whatever system you choose to use. That being said, this is a market that does tend to chop around quite a bit, so what this can give you a hint on, you can see where we dropped drastically there. We didn't drop below the 20 level, but we did drop below the 23 or 25 level, I should say, to get down to 23. And that gives you a hint that maybe it's not a market that you want to be playing a trend following system in. And as you can see, that would have worked. It is a secondary indicator. It is not something to place your decisions based upon solely the reading. But what it does do is give you an idea to look out for a strengthening trend or a trend that's about to drop. That being said, ADX is used in a lot of systems as a secondary indicator. It's been trusted by traders for years, and you can see that clearly it can give you a hint as to trend being very strong, and then it peaked, and then as it fell, the strength of the trend fell. And then it rose again, showing that there was still plenty of momentum as we rose higher. It's an interesting indicator. It's definitely something you need to play around with, though. It's not the be-all, end-all of trading.